Moi vle aller avec ou.
I want to go with you.
Moi vle aller avec ou.
Wait for me at home.
Tan moi la kayou.
Wait for me at home.
Tan moi la kayou.
Call me when you get home.
Relem le rive la kayou.
Call me when you get home.
Relem le rive la kayou.
Did you call me yesterday?
Ou te relem ye?
Did you call me yesterday?
Ou te relem ye?
I called you 3 times.
Moi rele ou 3 fois.
I called you 3 times.
Moi rele ou 3 fois.
I can't wait any longer.
Moi pa ka tan ankor.
I can't wait any longer.
Moi pa ka tan ankor.
I will try.
Moi pral eseye.
I will try.
Moi pral eseye.
I show you everything.
Moi montre ou tout bagay.
I show you everything.
Moi montre ou tout bagay.
What am I supposed to do?
Ki sa moi supposé fè?
What am I supposed to do?
Ki sa moi supposé fè?
What am I to you?
Ki sa moi ye pou?
What am I to you?
Ki sa moi ye pou?
I continue working.
Moi kontinye travay.
I continue working.
Moi kontinye travay.
I continue to sleep.
Moi kontinye dormi.
I continue to sleep.
Moi kontinye dormi.
I always believe in you.
Moi toujou kwen nan ou.
I always believe in you.
Moi toujou kwen nan ou.
I believe in you.
Moi kwen nan ou.
I believe in you.
Moi kwen nan ou.
I believed in you.
Moi te kwen nan ou.
I believed in you.
Moi te kwen nan ou.
I believe in myself.
Moi kwen nan tet mwen.
I believe in myself.
Moi kwen nan tet mwen.
I prefer coffee over tea.
Moi prefere kafe pase te.
I prefer coffee over tea.
Moi prefere kafe pase te.
I see your face.
Moi wè figi ou.
I see your face.
Moi wè figi ou.
When did you take this picture?
Ki lè ou te pran foto sa?
When did you take this picture?
Ki lè ou te pran foto sa?
Can you send me this video?
Ou ka voye video sa pou mwen?
Can you send me this video?
Ou ka voye video sa pou mwen?
I changed my mind.
Mwen chanje l'ide.
I changed my mind.
Mwen chanje l'ide.
Change the picture.
Chanje foto a.
Change the picture.
Chanje foto a.
Change your password.
Chanje mot pas ou.
Change your password.
Chanje mot pas ou.
this picture.
Mwen reme foto sa.
I like this picture.
Mwen reme foto sa.